Hello everyone, welcome to our today's videos on Sonar, our page detector. I'm Dr. Rakhi, an assistant professor of School of Science, Aquaculture Department, Sage University, Bhopal. Today I will discuss with you the sonar. What is a sonar? Sonar is a mechanical device which used to see what lies beneath the water. Basically, navigation signifies the process to detect the route or the directions towards the destination. Here, the navigations implies the method to detect the object under the water. Navigation can also be defined as submarine navigation, and the ranging signifies the distance between the device and the object. So you can call sonar is a device used to detect the objects under the water by sending sound waves or echo. History of the sonar. Sonar was first utilized in First World War for identifying the objects like icebergs and submarines. In 1930s, sonar was first used in detecting school of fishes. Now sonar broadly used for scientific research on oceanography. By adding different type of advanced technology and sensitive equipment with sonar, make it strong and effective device for capturing fish from deep zone of the sea. Now I will tell you the type of sonar. Generally, two types of sonar are used for detecting objects beneath the sea. Number one is active sonar. Second number is passive sonar. Active sonar. Transducer of active sonar emit an acoustic signal into the water. When any object falling in the path of this acoustic signal, the sounds rebound of the object and returns such an echo to the sonar transducers. Well-equipped transducer can measure the strength of the signal, determine the time between the emission of the acoustic signal and its reception also, and it can detect the range and orientation of the object. Passive sonar. Passive sonar does not emit its own acoustic signal into the water. Primarily, passive sonar is used to identify the marine noise such as marine mammals, submarine, or ships. This type of sonar only catches the sound waves coming towards it. Passive sonar is unable to measure the range of the object. Passive sonar are mainly used for oceanographic research and military applications also. Advantages of the sonar. High precision mechanical device, fast and speed, suitable for research work, economically viable and reliable. Disadvantages of the sonar. The sound waves which emitted from the sonar can create the interference of the normal life of marine organisms and threatening for their life. It is not suitable in rare condition because with the help of the sonar, enemy country can easily detect the submarine or ship of the motherland. This is the sonar performance image. In the first image, we can identify this is the sonogram report, and second picture is identify the submarine beneath the sea water, and third picture is categorized as the oceanographic research, and fourth picture is capturing the the shoal of the fishes beneath the sea. Application of the sonar. Sonar can detect the object beneath the water. It can detect the underwater organism. It can detect the underwater threats such as latent volcano, detection of the submarines and ships, detection and medical imaging of cancer cell, which is also performed using the method known as a sonogram. It can use in military work, detecting the dispute or damages in the large pipeline carrying oil and gas, detection of the depth of the ocean, and detection of fish shoal during fishing operation. This is my reference page where I get my information. Thank you for listening me. I hope you are stay tuned with me and subscribe our Sage University Bhopal page.